I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. Hey, I finally got around to creating this conversation piece. The story happened years ago, and I'll share that with you, but first I'm going to show you how I preserve this hunting memory, in case this happens to you. This is an inexpensive way to create your own conversation piece around your unique hunt. And here's how I did it. I promised you the story, so here it is. I don't remember the exact year, but it was getting near the end of the archery season, quite a few years ago. Change of light was definitely making its presence known. And I figured I had about maybe, I don't know, half an hour before I had to quit hunting that day. And this buck showed up, like they do right at the end. And I decided I was going to take the shot. So I got ready, I drew, I let the arrow fly. The buck ran. I heard him crash. And then I thought, wow, I made a good shot. And I waited about a half an hour, and now it was getting dark. So I decided to go look to see if I could find my arrow. I got lucky with the arrow. It was on the ground with very dark, almost brown blood. I knew then I probably was too far back and most likely made a liver shot or worse, a gut shot. Right then and there, I decided to come back first thing in the morning to look for him. 12 hours for a liver shot and make sure he dies. So I stuck the arrow in the ground and left. The next day I arrived at first light, found my arrow, and started tracking him. I did find some blood and hair, so I tracked him in the direction where I thought I heard him crash. I thought sure I would find him exactly where I heard him pile up. 12 hours, he's got to be dead. Well, I found quite a bit of blood there, but no deer. No blood trail leaving in any direction. I searched and I searched and I searched. No deer, no signs. I knew deep down this wasn't going to end well, but I spent the next 3 days after work searching anyway. I finally came to terms with the fact that I made a bad shot and I'm not going to find this buck. I felt badly, but I decided to go back to hunting hoping to see another buck, but that never happened. Almost a week later, I decided to go back to where I hit that deer just to hunt, see if anything was moving. Got in my stand. I started hearing a lot of crows. I started to see buzzards flying pretty low, way out in front of my stand. It didn't take me long to put two and two together. So, too many crows and buzzards? I took a walk in the general direction of the birds, and I watched one buzzard fly down from a tree into like high goldenrod growth. And yep, guess what I found? My buzzard buck. Well, between the buzzards, crows, and coyotes, he was pretty well worked over. So I did the right thing. I came back the next day, I used my tag, took the horns. He was about, 300 yards from where I shot him. And I'm sure the buzzards, crows, and coyotes ate well. I finally found my buck, and I finally got around to finishing my Buzzard Buck project. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas for capturing your hunting memories, even if they don't always end well. And this one didn't. Hey, I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. I have to find a place to hang my Buzzard Buck tribute, now that I think about it. So, I gotta go. Oops, almost forgot. We gone.